Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are version 8 of the game now. Haven't run better, but we have 2 GYs and there's a lot of glitches. It's funny glitches. Alright, let's start and try you guys. Okay, so we are here. This is new. And you can finally scroll. Yeah. Manage subscribers, yeah, and there's new mods. So yeah. Okay, I'm not gonna show you new tools pack yet, but in my other video I'm gonna show you the new update. You will probably see that new update, so yeah guys, I will show you in the next video. Anyway, back to this video, let me check the new update. That box. Okay, so we're in the game. So yeah, I didn't use no tool pack because I'm not gonna show the new update. You scroll toolbar. So yeah, it's new bots. This one, I'm not gonna show you the glitches yet. So yeah, not yet. I'm gonna show you in the next video of the tools pack. Make you guys back. Let me show you my tools. Okay, so yeah, physics card. This thing and I love the music. And we have a smoke gun. Which do not feature smoke. This thing is new. It's weird with this. So 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, I just killed myself. Okay, so I just died. So yeah guys, and we have this sledgehammer which is dumb. It repeats that one sound and it's annoying. And we have 4 hammer, but this one is different. You have new abilities. Look at that. Wait. Look at that. Hey, you can throw it. It comes back when it's freaky. Oh crap, that's like a thing is chasing you. Look at that. That's creepy. That's okay. See? That it. Let me show you what you see. I never do this. It's fine. I was gonna do that, but yeah. Okay, so here is a mega gun. It's back. It doesn't work anymore because of zoom mode. Okay, so we have a super fast edition, which is very big. Look at that. And you come out fire. Also, this is the and we have media strike. Yep. Do that. We have this laser gun. We have this, but I built on my own. So yeah, it's from unspeakable from other video that I built. I built the thing, so yeah, that looks like this. And we have this thing, which is cool animation. And we have this thing. It's a laser thing. It's a very detailed. How can I buy it? It doesn't open that, so yeah. We have when you hold the two, there's computer. This thing, I don't know what is it. Let's do this. Let's do nothing. Okay. I have any gun. What do next is this is the new menu. Photo mode. And this new, you can change the weather. Wait, they're like beautiful this map when you do that. Hey, that's like great. And we have this is a bot. This is bots. This is a bot that will make the fire disappear. In this performance will give you FPS. Oh, sorry, you have to press this. So yeah. And but next I have another thing. Let me show you. Okay, okay, so you have to try yourself the scripting. So yeah, video make me so long to make. So be sure to like and subscribe to this video if you still know. So yeah, I just it's Steve. He's among us. Laser. Oh, it's a ragdoll. Oh yes, we have the Yate bot. When you throw stuff, it makes. Yeah. You can go to the workshop. Got new map, so yeah. Okay, so we have this object, which is a plane. So yeah, let me just back. A sandbox. Whoa. Okay, so here's the object. FPS, what you can get. Let's use this. Okay, so we had the map. It's a plane. So yeah, it's a little bit laggy because you know my computer how it is. It's just a glitch when I that map doesn't lag. So yeah, I just use this map. So yeah, guys, this is the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Leave a like, subscribe, please subscribe. That's for the video.